Holy shit. Oh, hold up. This might actually be the level I needed to break this game. There was like one frame of 12 rockets shooting out. So I've had this idea for a video for a while. And yes, you read the title correctly. I'm going to try to break this game. I really want to see if I can get so many enemies on screen and so many items that I physically crash Risk of Rain 2. I know that I've seen other people crash this game when they spend like 24 hours in the first stage and stuff like that, but it's something that I've never accomplished. So that's what I'm going to try to do today. I think we'll pick Huntress for this, and to further aid me breaking the game, going for Artifact of Command, Artifact of Sacrifice, and Artifact of Swarms. Let's do this. It's obviously going to start out a little slow, but all Risk of Rain runs start out a little slow. I think what we really need to do is focus on survival items first, and then once we actually can survive, then we can start getting items that I think will break the game. Gotta stack our glasses. Okay, I think 3 minutes is good enough. We'll just start with this amount of items. Why are there so many beetles? Holy shit. Gotta get out of dodge before I die. This is a harrowing boss fight, to say the least. I need to just focus on killing the beetle queens at this point. There's so many enemies that I just need to get beetles to stop spawning. Oh god. Gotta keep shooting. Gotta keep healing. And after all the enemies are dead, I'll reap the rewards and pick up all the items that have dropped. Oh, finally. Peace. Oh wait, there's one more guy? Moving on. Now that we have all of our items from the last stage, now we're gonna be kicking ass. We're trying to get this run to go to the end game. This early stuff doesn't matter as much. What I'm looking for is the late game chaos. I want to see this game at its absolute breaking point. Oh, we got a red? But what red? I think I have to go for the clover first. Now that we have the 57 leaf clover, I feel a little more inclined to do the Shrine of the Mountain. Second boss fight. Nice. Pretty smooth, actually. We gotta start getting some will-o-wisps. You already know. I'm not just gonna do this video stage by stage. I have a couple ideas for item farming. Because let's be honest, if I just went stage to stage and got exclusively the items that are on the stage, then we would be here for a very long time. I know this is looking like a regular Risk of Rain 2 run, but just trust the process. I also might try to pick up some focused convergence so I can make these teleporters faster too. Oh, you thought that was gonna work on me? These guys are frame 1 trying to hit me with their attacks. Okay, this is gonna be weird, but hear me out. I know there's not enough interactables in the stages, but when there is going to be an interactable, I want it to just explode for 10 minutes straight. I want it to be a beacon of fireworks. Trying to catch me slipping. Okay, little magma worm to start off. And you already know we're doing the secret boss fight to get the red. This guy's so easy. With my current power level, you don't stand a chance. There's a lot of great options. I think for right now, we'll get the ceremonial daggers. I think we're pretty much as strong as we need to be for us to do the item farm that I really want to do. We just got to keep our eyes out after this stage for a Newt altar. Look at all the fireworks. Yo. Now that we got a couple void items under our belt, we're kind of chilling right now. Release the fireworks. They're beautiful. We got our blue portal. Now that we've reached the last difficulty scaling, now that we have a blue portal, this is where the run gets serious. Even though we're going through the blue portal, we ain't ending the run here. This is a symbolic message, just to tell the game that I'm not done yet. Oh my god. I don't even know what happened. You can never have too many fireworks. Into the blue portal we go. I see those items over there. Oh well. We're going to a place that we don't need these items. We're gonna get way more than we ever could have wanted. I think I'm just gonna stick with... Fuck this piece of shit. I think 2 is pretty safe, because I know it can get way too small. We're going to the void, baby. I don't even really need to be worried about staying outside of the zone, because frankly, I just heal all of the damage that I'm taking. I hope we get lucky in the next few teleporters too with some boss items. Now the secret to getting the maximum amount of items from this stage, all we gotta do is take it to 8 out of 9 cell vents. Then, we don't finish the last one. Just expect an item montage.
It's like a curse weighing on an entire landscape. And whoever goes too deep into this has his share of that curse. It's a land that...
You might notice I'm a little bit faster. And do a little more damage. All the infusions that I picked up activating all at once. My health is just going nuts. Guys, I wonder where the portal is. Here, let me look for it. My god, the banners. Whoa! Went off a little too far. Ooh, we got a red. Screw it. We'll get the behemoth. My god, the damage. Despite me doing a ludicrous amount of... Despite me doing a ludicrous amount of damage, this might be a little harder than I thought. I think right now, the only thing that we can really hope for is an absolute shitload of Shrine of the Mountains that we can all activate at the same time and hopefully get so many enemies on screen and have it so powerful that we crash the game. Not Shrines of Mountains on this. Wow. Celestial Portal. Bah. Psh. Oh my god. It's all fun and games until I actually attack. My daggers are good and all. They kill everything for me and I don't have to try, but when I actually throw out a single attack, everything dies. Yeah, I think we really need to get some focus convergence, and so we can just blow through these stages faster. I'm trying to look for the perfect stage. I want at least 4 Shrine of Mountains. Oh, the void becomes curious. Interesting. Now void enemies are starting to appear in the overworld. Hey guys, do you think I have enough for the chest yet? Let's go see. Oh, we have enough. Get another laser scope, as if our damage is not enough already. Oh my god. Oh my god. The bright light. The absolute blinding light of all of the jailers dying at the same time. All right, we'll move on. Wow, that was actually beautiful. It's just a lot of me saying wow in this video so far. Purple, no. I am not trying to end this game yet. I guess I just have really bad luck because I've only been finding 1 Shrine of the Mountain. It's all right, we got a blue portal, so I can go get more focus convergence and get through these levels faster. Dang, not even any more boss items. That's what I'm really also hoping for, is I want the rest of the boss items. I have nearly every item. There are a couple that I've been avoiding just because I know they'll kind of mess up my build, but now items are just dropping like candy in all stages. Woo!
I can go twice as high.
It sounds like a good idea, but it might bite me, man. There's only one way to find out. Bro, stop healing. Oh my god, what just happened? The game is definitely starting to become unstable. They're trying to get me to end it. They keep pulling out the void portal. The power I hold is too great. They want it over. They wanted to see my run die. But now I am too powerful. Now nothing can stop me. Not even gravity. See, part of what makes Risk of Rain 2 so great is that they allow you to do this type of stuff. They encourage you to try to break this game. Yes, another boss item. Charged Perforator. Charged Perforator. Now lightning strikes are going to be coming down like never before. Oh, and we spawned the boss. Nice. I was gonna spawn the boss anyway, but just made my life a lot easier. Man, once again, no Shrines of Mountains. Whoa! Just flashbang everybody really quick, sorry. And another red item. Let's go. The air smells of sweet strawberries. Oh my lord. Oh my god. Whoa. Yo, hold up. This might actually be the level I needed to break this game. Whoa. There's so many enemies, it's lagging so bad. Oh, my money's already 6 million almost. I kind of like this stage. Jesus. And all the meteors are getting destroyed. If we activate the teleporter, we, I think, increase the monster spawns too. Maybe we'll just activate the teleporter and just hang out. All right, let's see what happens. Oh my god. It didn't even pop up with a boss title or anything. Holy shit. I am speechless. Oh, I got the monster log for these guys. I'd hope so. Did you see how many rockets came out of me? There was like one frame of 12 rockets shooting out. Want to put this into perspective? Those rockets that are flying around are not fireworks. Those are the ATG missiles. But there's so many of them, it looks like I've been just activating fireworks. Oh, we're so close. Game is becoming unstable. Oh, there's another red. Yo. See if I can pick it up. Can I have it? Can I? Where am I, bro? Where's the red? Oh, there it is. Oh my god, I'm so fast, I just teleported past it. I think we can break the game on this stage. If we let enough items pile up, I think that we can do this. We might need to put it out of its misery, guys. It's too far gone, but I don't know if it's gonna crash. I think we might just be stuck in purgatory. This is taking forever. Holy shit. Teleporter finished. Now all we're left with is like a bunch of glowing orbs where all of the items are. Wow. Just wow. I am speechless. I'm not even gonna bother picking these up. I'm already way overpowered at this point. I'm gonna get to like a legitimate ending. We'll wrap up from there. Well, this has been a harrowing journey. We've got ups as I bounce. We've got ups and downs. But ultimately, we were unsuccessful in crashing Risk of Rain 2. I would love to revisit this video idea again in the future. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, come back next time, bitches.